Now we'll go for the triangles. Similarity of the triangles. Okay. Similarity of triangles. Yeah, just now we did polygons. Now we'll go for the triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Like polygons only same way. Yeah, obviously triangle also one polygon. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Same exactly like a before one. Corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportional. I will go for one example here. ABC is one triangle. ABC is one triangle. Then PQR or DEF, anyone. DEF also one triangle. Yes, according to this situation, two triangles are said to be similar. When these two are similar, we know the similar. Similar means looking like a same shape. But here we have the conditions. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. What are the corresponding angles in this? According to this one, corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D. First one. Next, angle B is equal to angle E. And next third one, angle C is equal to angle F. Okay. These all angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal in both the triangles. Now we go for the second one. Corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. What are the corresponding sides? First one, AB by DE. AB by DE is equal to, next, BC by EF. BC by EF is equal to CA by FD or AC by DF. AC by DF. Observe children, angles are equal, then corresponding sides are proportional. All are equal. Then these two figures are similar. Okay. Then how to write? We know how to write that if two figures are similar, triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle. This is similar to triangle DEF. Clear, children? That is the answer. If anything like when angles are equal and sides are in proportion, obviously both the figures are similar. Just I will go for again one more time and read it. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal, and corresponding sides are proportional. Clear, children? All the angles are equal and all the sides are in same ratio or proportional. Students, now we will go for the theorem. It's a very important theorem in triangles. Okay, that is the basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Thales. Thales theorem. The short form we say that BPT theorem. Yes. Why it is a Thales theorem? Because the great mathematician, Greek mathematician, described the basic proportionality theorem. Because of that, it's given names Thales theorem. Generally, we know everybody that is the basic proportionality theorem as a small form like BPT theorem. Okay? Yeah. I will read the statement, listen properly. After reading, understanding, then you draw the figure, then you will go for the proof. Yes? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Same ratio. Clear, children? Yeah. Now using this information, first draw the figure. I will draw the figure here. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay. a line is drawn parallel to one side. Suppose BC is one side, any side you can select. I am selecting this BC. Okay, one side I am selecting. This is a DE, is a line parallel to BC. Then intersecting the other two sides at D and E. Yes, then it divides two sides in the same ratio. That means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That we have to prove. Clear, children? The line is dividing AD by DB equal to AE by EC. That we have to prove finally. Yes? Yeah. For every theorem we have 4 steps or 3 steps sometimes. Clear, children? What is that? First one is a given, and second one is to prove, and third one is construction if required. Then last one is proof. Total 4 steps required. For here also, for proving AD by DB and AE by EC, just require some construction. What are the constructions? Yes, just draw one perpendicular line here. Perpendicular line. Suppose I am selecting this as a F. Okay. Here also one more perpendicular dotted line. Here 90 degrees. That is as a G. Yes. Join here again these two. EB also joining, and finally CD also join here. Clear, children? Now construction is done. Now using this figure we have to prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is a very important theorem. Listen properly, everyone. Yeah. What is the first step in this? We will go for this one. Yes. Given. What is given in this? Triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC. Yes, that DE intersecting at AB at D and AC at E. AC at E. This is the given figure. Clear? Yeah. Now next one, what is to prove? To prove. What we have to prove? Same ratio, that is divides the two sides in the same ratio. AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to other one AE by EC. AE by EC. Clear, children? This we have to prove. Yes. Next, construction. What are the construction? Construction here joined EB, DC and perpendiculars. Yes, that is right here. Construction. Here, what is first one? Join BE and what is next one? DC. That is joining. After that, draw EF. EF is perpendicular to AB as well as AD also. Okay. And the next one is perpendicular to, you can write here AB as well as AD also. Next, what is other one? DG is perpendicular to AC as well as AE. Clear, children? Yeah. Now construction completed. We will go for the last one, that is the proof. Important thing in this. What is the last step? Proof. Yeah. Now we will go for the proof. Here, observing this upper part we will select now first time from triangle ADE. Yes, from triangle ADE and select. Observing, children, from triangle ADE. Here, upper part. ADE. Left side only observe this, only left side. Yes, ADE. Area of ADE you will find out from this. Area of triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle ADE is equal to, what is we know? half into base into height. Yes, half is no change. And what is the base here? AD. AD is the base. And height is what is? EF, because it is a perpendicular. Yes, so EF. EF. Same way, another one. Area of triangle. What is another one? DEB. Only left side we are observing. DEB. Triangle DEB is equal to same, half into base into height, half into what is the base here? Base is the DB, and height is same because it is outside actually, EF only. Yes. Now area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEB is equal to ratio finding, half into AD into EF divided by half into DB into EF. Yes, EF cancel, half cancel. What is remaining in this? AD by DB. AD by DB. That is number 1. Clear children? One part completed. Now we will go for the right side. Yes. What is the right side is given here? Same way again. Area of AED. Yes. AED and ADE both are same triangles, but only one thing is base and height is the same. Just little change in that. This height is the DG and base is what is AE. Yeah. But triangle name is same. Clear? Now we will go for the right side. Left side completely completed. Now we will go for the right side. Same way, what is here? DG is perpendicular to AC. That we can use here. DG is perpendicular to AE as well as AC. Then what we used here? EF. EF is perpendicular to AB. We used here. Yes, sir. Now we will go for DG is perpendicular to AC. Yes. Now first one. Area of triangle ADE, half into base. Now we are going right side thing. AE is the base, AE. Next into height DG. Height is DG. Clear children? Now we will go for the second one. Area of triangle. What is the next one? EDC. EDC. Triangle EDC. Half into, what is the base here? EC is the base. EC is the base. And height is the same. That is, what is? DG only. Height is DG. Now, ratio of these two. Area of triangle ADE